Here's the Wipro 8kW diesel heater that I'm having issues with. That is the only serial number that I can come up with. Seems to be the only number on here. I'll plug it in. Here it is plugged in. Green light on the power supply. Now attempt to power it up. First is the remote. Remote doesn't work. On-off switch. On-off switch doesn't work. No display. Sometimes the display comes on, sometimes it doesn't. Try it again. On, off. On, off. On, off. On, off. Nothing. Try the remote again. Nothing. I've tried a new power supply from another Wipro diesel heater that I have. Tried hooking a 12-volt battery up to it directly, and still has the same problem. Try again, and we've still got nothing. Usually, eventually, the display will come on, but it won't have any control, and nothing powers on. Try again. Nothing. Again, green light. It's plugged in. Coming up on 4 minutes. Give it another try. Didn't work with that. Doesn't work with the remote. Give it another minute or so. Nothing. I will now attempt to unplug it and plug it back in to see if it'll reset. Count to 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plug it back in. Try it again. Got nothing. No display, nothing. Six minutes, still nothing. This unit is defective. Please replace it. Thank you.